What if you could create a complete AI storyboard with consistent characters, locations, and props, generate connected scenes, and then transform them into cinematic video clips without spending hours writing complex prompts? Right now, AI-generated short films are pulling in millions of views across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and creators are building entire channels around AI storytelling. But there's one problem almost everyone runs into: keeping characters and scenes consistent from one shot to the next. That's exactly what Google Flow's new Storyboard Studio is designed to solve. Instead of manually creating every character, location, and prop, Storyboard Studio can generate them automatically. Build your story into connected storyboard scenes, create consistent images for every shot, and then turn those scenes into AI-generated video clips, all inside a single workflow. The best part? You don't need to be a filmmaker or prompt engineering expert. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process, share a few tips I discovered while testing it, and reveal how you can use this feature to create professional-looking AI films much faster. Let's get started. First, open Google Flow and create a new project. Once you're inside the workspace, head over to the left sidebar and click on Tools. You'll notice Google has added several creative tools here, including Sketch Tool, Mockup, Magic Mask, and a few others. Scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio, then click to open it. The first thing we'll do is choose the visual style for our project. You can build your own custom style, but for this tutorial, I'm going to select the 3D animation preset because it works really well for animated stories and cinematic videos. Once you've selected your style, click Get Started. This brings us to the Script tab where the entire project begins. Simply copying your prompt and paste your story into the script box. This could be a children's story, a short film, or any story you want to turn into a video. After pasting your script, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Storyboard Studio analyzes your story and automatically breaks it into individual scenes, actions, and dialogue. Instead of working with one long paragraph, everything is now organized into a structured storyboard, making it much easier to edit and visualize your film. Now let's move to the Assets tab. This is where Storyboard Studio starts saving you a huge amount of time. Normally, you'd have to create every character, every location, and every prop separately using different prompts. But with Storyboard Studio, Google Flow can generate everything automatically. Simply click Autofill Characters. Flow reads your script and creates all the characters mentioned in your story. Next, click Autofill Locations. Finally, click Autofill Props to create all the important objects used throughout the story. Now that our assets are ready, let's move over to the Storyboard tab. You'll notice every scene from your script is already arranged in storyboard order. At first, the storyboard frames will be empty. To generate them, simply click Autofill Scene. Storyboard Studio combines your script with the characters, locations, and props you've already created to generate storyboard images for every scene. This is one of my favorite parts because you can finally see your story taking shape visually. Another thing I really like is how consistent everything stays. Your characters maintain the same appearance across scenes, your locations remain visually connected, and your props stay consistent throughout the entire story. Now it's time for the most exciting part, turning storyboard images into animated videos. Open All Media and select the storyboard frame you want to animate. Click Add to Prompt. You'll have two generation options: Standard Mode and Agent Mode. Copy the matching scene, paste it into Agent Mode. Once everything looks good, click Generate. After a short wait, your storyboard image is transformed into a cinematic AI video clip, complete with character animation, camera movement, and synchronized dialogue. Repeat the same process for the remaining storyboard scenes until you've created your complete AI film. And that's how easy it is to go from a simple script to consistent characters, locations, storyboard scenes, and fully animated AI videos, all inside Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel.